It's a very big day here on the farm. It's pig processing day, and it's a day I've kind of dreamt about like my whole life. I've always thought it'd be super interesting to process your own animals, and we've done it with turkeys and we've done it with chickens, and today is the day we're finally going to do it with pigs. We have 4 pigs that we've raised since they were just little bacon seeds, and we are today's the day that they're going to make it to freezer camp. And here's the goal for today. Today is slaughter day. We're going to show you the whole process. We're going to break it down into smaller videos, so if you don't want to see part of it, you can skip to a different part that's more interesting to you. Step 1 is we got everything set up. Behind me here you can see it's a big old-fashioned metal swing set. I'll show you better pictures and views of it in a moment. But from that is where 4 gambrels can hang. Gambrels are these metal, they look like clothes hangers, and that's what they'll actually go through the tendons of the feet of the pigs, and that's what they'll hang on. At this station, this is where they'll hang, and they'll be gutted and skinned, and then we will haft them. And so at the end of the day, I hope to have 4 pigs halved hanging on this swing set behind us. Over in a little bit, I'm going to go show you where the pigs were living, and I've made a little bit of a temporary pen for them to come out. We're going to do it one at a time. I'm going to put a piece of, or a bucket with a little bit of feed. I'll let one out. They'll come out there to eat. I'll take the dispatch shot. What you want to do is just above the eyebrows, right in the center of the head, is where the brain is. If you shoot it, we're going to use a 12 or 20 gauge, whatever I get my hands on, and we're going to shoot it in the head. That'll stun it, and it'll kind of freak out for a second, and then I'll hop in, and just like with chickens, what you want to do, this is the most humane way to kill the animal, is stun it, and then just like us, we have these, carotid arteries in our necks. So right below, right above, right in the middle of the neck here is where theirs runs. So I'll stick a knife in and cut it, and they'll bleed right there on the spot. They'll be dispatched humanely as quickly as possible. As soon as they're done with that, I'll do one at a time. I got a tractor with a bucket. We'll open the pen, take the tractor and put it in there. We'll cut the gambrel into the legs, and then we'll get it over here. We'll drive the tractor over here and hang it. So that's kind of the first step of today. One of the things about processing animals is we view it not spiritually like they're some sort of holy thing, but we do appreciate the sacrifice that they have to make in order for us to have food and nourishment, okay? All things are a gift from God for the nourishment of our bodies. And so we are thankful. While the pigs have been, kind of stinky big creatures, they have ate all of our scraps, that that way you don't have stuff going to waste. They have been super easy, with the exception of them getting out a couple times, to raise. And we know that they're going to go for nourishing our family for many, many months to come. So we don't do this lightly. We do appreciate them and their efforts. And so we're going to take care today to do a humane dispatch, a humane slaughter. And the goal is to get 4 carcasses hanging and halved, and then I have a freezer I can put them in if I need to for the night. So we'll be showing you things along the way. Okay.
Hi, I'm Andrew. So today it's butchering day. We're gonna butcher the pigs. The chickens in there, yeah. So today's butchering day. We're gonna slaughter the pigs and have some bacon, have some pork, have some ham, yeah, all the good stuff. Over here, so we're gonna use this to butcher them. Yeah. So we're making a little pin right here, and so the pig is gonna come through, and we're gonna put a little bit of feed right there, and it's gonna eat. just for like 1 minute. And then we're gonna shoot it, I think. Yeah. Gonna be great. So this
I need you to get all this
right
stuff
here,
out though. That looks like trash.
this you curl it around and yeah. So you curl it around.
It's kind of a quick connect
Yeah.
to these.
And you can move it around. Yeah.
You can throw 3 or 4 of these together in a shape, in a triangle, and move panels around pretty quickly.
No, this is not a good long-term fence situation. It's like, oh my gosh, I just got 3 new goats. Where am I gonna put them? Because if they can outnumber you, stand on the gates and like literally tip it over.
Especially goats, yeah.
Especially
We
goats.
had goats do that, but for something like this, it's real easy.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Dad, you can go back over here.